Hello and welcome to another episode of Glass Painting with Jack. Before I get into what I'm going to show you today, I just want to say thank you to all of you who've subscribed and who've commented and liked the videos I've posted. Please do let me know in the comments below or get in touch with me on Facebook what you would like to see me do. Would you like to see more demonstrations of me painting glass? Would you like more glass painting tutorials with templates? Would you like easy projects or slightly more difficult projects? And if you're interested in being tutored online or being part of a workshop group, do please let me know that too. So let's get started. So I'm going to be painting a clematis flower on this highball glass. I'm using my Pabo 160 Vitria range, which is water-based, but once it's baked in the oven it's completely washable, so I use that on my drinking glasses. I've got a little bit of kitchen roll tucked under there to stop the glass moving about as I paint. So you will see that I am painting directly onto the glass using my paintbrush, and I won't be using any relief cream outliner tonight. I'll just be using the brush and paints. Similar to when I paint my thistle design, I am using the colours while they're wet and painting them into one another because I want to create movement and I want to blend as I go along. So here you see me adding the white in whilst the purple is still wet. I will go on to add both light and shade. Here I'm adding some blue as a shade. I do all these things while the paint is wet so that the colours blend into one another. So I go on to finish adding petals in around the flower using the same blending technique, picking out the shape and texture of the petal as I go along. I really love glass painting and I've been doing it for over 15 years now. But this technique is a fairly new one that I'm branching into. I've lacked the confidence to go for it. Although I've been painting my thistle for a number of years, I'm used to doing most of my designs with the outline relief cream and colour filling. So this is quite a new thing for me, and I was very nervous to try it out at first, but I appreciate all the encouragement and feedback I've had from those who came on the journey with me just last week. So this is all brand new to me, so I'm sharing this with you, and I'm glad that you're on this creative journey with me. I thank you for all your encouragement as I go along. And can I encourage you then to give it a try yourself, even if you just start with one of the easy projects and templates that I have on my channel, and give the glass painting a try, because it is so much fun, nerves aside. As I have done with the petals, I also continue to do the same thing, creating shape and texture for the leaf, adding colour and blending while the paint is wet to create the overall design. So there it is, my finished clematis flower. There's one final flourish to go though. As with all the pieces of glass that I paint, I always sign my name. I hope you've enjoyed watching me create my clematis highball glass. If you have, please give me a thumbs up, and remember to leave comments below about what else you would like to see me do on this channel. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, and remember to click the little bell if you want to receive notifications every time I post. Until next time, bye!